Salam everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome as always. And as you guys can see by the title, today I'll be switching it up. Recently I've been doing a lot of cooking videos, and today we're back to the organization. And for this video, it's going to be divided into 3 different parts. And today I'll be showing you guys my organization of my kitchen utensils, Tupperware, the towels, and other kitchen supplies. And you'll see I'll do some containers later on in the video. So just a lot of things in drawers basically. So again, I'll be doing my kitchen organization into 3 different parts, and this is part 1, and I just hope you continue watching. So as you can see, basically I've took out all of the bins that I'll be putting in my utensils, and I'm going to start with the drawer 1 first, which are my Tupperware, such as the forks and the spoons, so I'll be organizing that first. So moving on to the next section, I'm trying to label each of these sections and categorize them, and I kind of call this my baking section. So I have here my spatulas and the whisks, my hand whisks, and the measuring cups and stuff like that. So now moving on to the knives, and as you can see, this brand Faberware is one of my favorite brands for my knives, and they're very sharp, and I always love unpacking new knives. And so I have these new knives here as well as with my old ones, and I'll be just putting them into this knife holder. So moving on to the kitchen gadgets, if you will, and I have here my, carrot peeler, my can opener, and, the cheese grater, garlic mincer, and I have some salad tossers as well, and also I have some ice cream scoops and a lemon juicer. So as you can see, I have all my items here laid out and ready to go inside the drawers. But first, before we begin to put our items, I'm just laying down this protective barrier, and I just cut out this really large white sheet, and it has a grip on it so that it doesn't slip and slide everywhere, and it just will make everything much easier to put in. It looks nicer, and also if you want to clean it out, all you have to do is just take it out, and if there's any crumbs or anything that you need to clean, it's just easy to clean out. So now that I've finished all the Tupperware and my, bakery sort of drawer, I'll be moving on to the knife set. So at this point, I felt that my knife holder was a bit too empty, so I just went around and found every single knife I had in my house just to fill it up a little bit more. And I also have, other smaller blades as well, such as my scissors. And lastly, I have here my kitchen gadgets, and I left some room on the left side to put my rolling pin. Okay, so moving on to one of my favorite drawers, I have here laid down my protective barrier again, and I'm kind of naming this the tea/caffeine drawer, and I have all my tea bags arranged nicely, and over here my cafe latte and more tea bags. Now we've completely moved on from the utensils, and now we're going to be organizing my containers. So now moving on to the towels, I have my cute little apron over there. It's floral print, and I have my oven mitts. And these towels, I bring them out for the festive season. I actually started recording this around winter time, so that's why I have all the blues and the grays and the whites out. And I mix and match them interchangeably, and I drip them over my oven, but for right now, I'll just be keeping them all in this drawer. So really quickly, I do want to mention that towards the end of this video, as you can see right now, I've just included some extra different ways that I organized my utensil drawers. And so these are with my gold utensils that I only bring out on special occasions such as holidays and such. And I just wanted to show you how I would arrange them like that, and as well as these next two clips. Just wanted to mix and match, and just wanted to assemble them in a different way and organize them in a different way, and this is just what it looks like. So as you can see, we are done with part 1 of my kitchen organization, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in part 2. Ciao!